Today we're going to study the long vowel silent E syllable pattern. But first I want to ask you a question. Do you know what a long vowel is? Okay, what is it?
A long vowel is when the vowel says its name.
Right, it's when a vowel says its own name. So let's practice those before we start. So what's the long vowel sound for A?
A, E, I, O, U.
Excellent. Okay, good. And there's something else I wanted to show you, what I always tell my students about silent E, and that's this make a V for silent E, and I'm going to teach you how to do that. Okay? So we're going to think make a V for silent E. The pattern is when there's one vowel followed by a consonant and then the letter E. Some people call it the magic E. First, I find the vowel and I touch under it. And I find the other vowel and touch under that. And then I see my I followed by a consonant and my silent E. See how my fingers make a V? So what I'm going to do, if I notice that it has the pattern, I'm going to put it under my silent E. And if it doesn't have the pattern, I'm going to go no and say no. Okay? Let me show you another one. For this one, when I come to a word I don't know, I always find the vowels first. So I touch my vowel, and I look around it. I don't see anything after it at all. So I'm going to say this isn't a no. It doesn't follow our pattern. And I'm going to put that here.
But it still makes a long sound.
Mm-hmm. Why?
Because it's open, there's nothing.
Mm-hmm. That's true. But right now we're just going to talk about the silent E, but that's true. Very good. All right, for the next one, first thing I do, I find my vowel. I touch under it. I see a consonant after, but I don't see an E. So this is also a no. I'm going to put it over there. Okay. Now for this one, I'm going to find my vowel. Oh, I see two vowels and they're next to each other. Do you think this one follows my silent E pattern?
No.
Put that there. Okay. All right, let's see. So find your vowels and touch under them. What do my fingers naturally do?
V, make a V.
Make a V. So where will I put that one? Mm-hmm. Does this one follow our silent E pattern?
Yeah.
Yes, it does. Good. Okay. Pretend to touch the vowels. Mm-hmm. Good. Pretend to touch the vowels. Sitting there. Okay. Now, let's keep going. For the next few, what I want you to do, if it follows, I want you to raise your hand. If it follows our silent E pattern, if not, I want you to tell me no. Okay?
No.
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 Mm-hmm.
Yes.
Mm-hmm.